Hello students, today we are going to take unit number 4 in social science of the 9th standard. Okay, among them the first of all we will go for the definition. Among the definition, first definition is the revolt. Okay, revolt means war and that is fought by dependent people for the against freedom against ruling party. For the self defense against the nation is called revolt. So, what is revolt? A particular group of people generally fight for the freedom and such type of the freedom they can gain by revolutionary activities. This is called a revolt. Okay, in 1857 there was a big revolt. Is it clear? Now the next one, National Mourning Day. Mourning Day means lamenting day. Lamenting day, sorrowful day. Okay, here you can see on 16th October 1905, Bengal was divided, only giving the reason for the administrative efficiency by the Lord Curzon. Okay, so in MCQ or blank it might be asked when was Bengal divided. So you will have to memorize 16th October 1905, which was divided by Lord Curzon into East Bengal and West Bengal. And on the very same day, Bengal observed the day as the National Mourning Day. So there was an announcement that most of the people will have to boycott the foreign good and encouragement to use indigenous goods. Indigenous means which is made in our country. So we will have to use our own goods and we will have to boycott the foreign goods like Swadeshi movement. Now the third one, Jahal group. There are two groups regarding the attitude as far as the attitude is concerned. One is Jahal group and another is Mawal group. Okay, here in this group there is no effect of resolution request of the National Congress against the governance. May be possible if there is a problem regarding the government, any step, then there will be an attitude of the revolutionary. There will be no lethargic policy. They are always to fight in such type of the mood to get whatever it is. For example, freedom. There will be no any petition will be filed against the government. There will be no any urging, but only farce and active working started in youth of Congress, and that is why they were losing pressure, and that is called the Johal attitude. Lal, Bal and Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This trio are the considered and pioneer of the Jahal group because they were radical in the attitude, they were revolutionary in the attitude because they want to buy new life in young Indian activities. Now the next, Mawal group, compared to totally opposite Jahal group, Mawal group, as far as the attitude is concerned, in the annual conference of the Indian National Congress, only discussion, only resolutions were made against the demand, and finally petition used to be filed in the form of request to Viceroy. And due to such type of the lethargic work, policies were called soft people having Mawal attitude. So these people were soft. They were not interested to fight and they are not interested to take any revolutionary action. So this group in which included Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, etc. So this group has been considered as the Mawal group, and Mawal policy we can say in other word. Next one, revolutionary. What is revolutionary? A person who fights for his motherland without any greed, without any temptation, and only for the self respect as well as respect for the country. This way is called revolutionary. Next, communalism. India is a secular country because so many people of the different caste, creed, and religion are living in our country. That is why we can say our country is secular. But feeling of communalism arises only when anybody claims that his religion is correct or true and others' religion are not true. And instead of keeping equality to keep hatred towards other religion, so quarrel arises between the two communities. So there will be an atmosphere of the hatred and religious staunchness you will find among them. This is situation is called as the communalism. There will you find only hatred, and maybe possible there might be a bietical attitude. Now the next, here you can see Gadar Party. What is Gadar Party? Indian Independence League was founded in California in USA in 1907. Gadar Party name was given to it by Lala Hardayal. So Indian Independence League, which was founded where and when in USA, California state in 1907, and this Gadar Party was named given after the Lala Hardayal. So there are so many blanks, so many MCQ can we learn out of this. Okay. Now next one, Galib Banama conspiracy. Raja Mahendra Pratap formed the provisional independent government under Rashtra Pramukh in Afghanistan made signed in Galibnama conspiracy that was on Resmi Rumal. Under this conspiracy, all Muslims had to be united and fight against Christians, but unfortunately it was exposed. Now, next, Vande Matram. Vande Matram song was selected as the national song from the novel Anand Math of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. So MCQ and blank will be generated out of this. Who has composed and who has created the song Vande Matram? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. In which novel, in which book? Anand Math. So you will have to memorize all this thing. Next one, racism. Racism means according to different colors of the skin. According to different colors of the skin, being fair-skinned people keep discrimination with the black-skinned people. Okay, so there will be hate in even their inhuman behavior you will find out, and there will be restriction for the black people, and that is why they will violate their human values like independence, equality, and fraternity. So racism you will find nowadays. It was in the South Africa, but thereafter Nelson Mandela, because of the efforts of the Nelson Mandela, it had been removed from Africa. Thereafter we will discuss the Black Act. Gandhiji called the Black Act. At the end of the First World War, 1919, British government did not find the usefulness of the Indian Protection Act. So under the chairmanship of the Roosevelt, the Minister of the Law of the England framed the law which is known as the Rowlatt Act. Okay, so when it was formed, 1919. Okay, and who was the chairman? Rowlatt, the Minister of the Law of England, who framed this law. That is why it was known as the Rowlatt Act. This act was framed with the purpose of suppressing revolutionaries and nationalities, because without any giving proper reason, anyone can be arrested, anyone can be put into prison. That is why this act has been known as the Black Act. and Black Act has been considered by Gandhiji. Okay. Now next definition, Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the festival of the people of Sikh religion in Punjab. Maybe possible in MCQ it might be asked, Baisakhi is the festival of which religion? Then you will have to mention as the Sikh community. Thereafter, the national unity. There are many religious sects, there are many languages, there are many castes, there are many sects in India. Although we have such type of the diversity of our Indian culture, but due to love for the country, though such type of the diversity, we can say there is a unity. Unity is maintained everywhere. So this is called the national unity. Khilafat movement. What is Khilafat movement? During the First World War, Turkey joined the German side. So when England won, the treaty that was made had many firm and unjust terms and conditions for the losing side. The Sultan of the Turkey at that time was a Khalifa, head of Muslim. The movement in India to oppose the strict terms imposed on Turkey. The Sultan came to be known as Khilafat movement. Non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation means not to support, not to cooperate with anyone, to boycott the government policy and special programs. By doing this is not to give support or to cooperation to the government. In any case is called the non-cooperation movement, not to support, not to cooperate with any activity of the government. Gandhiji started non-cooperation movements against the British government in India in 1920. Okay. Now, Mopla revolt. What is Mopla revolt? The revolt that took place between Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants is called Mopla revolt, means Malabar. To make this movement a failure, unsuccessful attempts were made to break Hindu-Muslim unity. Chauri Chora. During non-cooperation movement in 1920, it make it severe, means fast. 21 policemen were made to burn alive on 5th February 1922. So keep in your mind how many policemen? 21 policemen were burnt in a house on 5th February 1922. Police Chowki House means at Chauri Chora in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. So this incident is known as Chauri Chora massacre. Thank you.